So you know we have to pick up the support. The supporters them will make the call same way. Yeah. So you know I'm the boss go measure up in kitchen here the top class family.
Top class Dust Channel, yeah. Welcome to the channel, Top Class Bros. You was Top Class Bros teaching you them fi uplift themselves. Me I tell you live a better life. Welcome to the channel. Always like, comment, subscribe. You was don't forget Top Class Bros. Subscribe.
What's up top class family? Welcome back to another video. Steady again there from the Top Class Bros. Today they are the workshop again. Yeah man, so come to buy something for the door for the dream house. Yes, so as you know, December we toast and say boy 2023 2022 Christmas. I catch you in the dream house once God's will. So well, when we look at 5 months leave in a Top Class family, so you know we have to start lift clutch right now. You understand? Yeah, so come at the workshop, come to get something to buy for the gym door. Yeah. I did Richie. Morning. Yeah man. Yeah. You're good man. So I want to think this so you know boss.
Shape and forget the glass, you know?
Shape and forget the glass?
Yeah.
Alright.
So when you're up on the work, you see me?
Sure. I want to make you know.
I shape them, you cover them, and show you what I'm going in.
Come in, come show what I'm going.
That's how you them there.
Yeah man, Top Class family, you know. Supporter reach out and boss a line up. How you line up for them again for general? Hold on, they don't hear that.
Yeah, we have make some kitchen cover now.
Oh.
Springtime, you know.
Springtime.
So you there said we are rubber.
Yeah man, see great poop there.
Top Class one. Send you man.
Oh, so I cover this?
Yeah. Come and say you can see. I back that.
Alright, just I back.
I want to go on the wall, you see me?
Oh.
So going on white and it's a natural color.
It's a white.
It's a natural color.
Oh, 2 different kitchen in a Top Class family. It's a natural color. And this one is the white one. Yeah. See you know. I want to spray them tomorrow. I can't get the spray in there.
Can't get the spray.
Yeah?
Much chemical.
That's true. That's the Arab man.
Yeah, so you know, so we're there, man.
Yeah man. So you know we have to pick up the support. The supporters them will make the call same way.
Yeah.
So you know I'm the boss come measure up in kitchen here the Top Class family.
That's right.
Yeah.
Must be like I mix up the thing, you see me?
Oh yeah for true.
I'm in here with Richie. I'm doing French already, you see me?
I'm doing the video man. You know I'm That's true because you know I went yesterday.
Yeah, we go.
Yesterday we go our next location we measure up and like the supporter say, hold on. I know you miss it on the video. So they kind of get enough of the like the newcomers them get the thing mixed up. You understand? Because most of the long time viewers them know say I be the Top Class boss. So, you know, Richie I build the furniture. You understand? Yeah. Him near Richie I build furniture. Me do video. Alright, so I show you the island, you know, because the boss may jump an island same way for the kitchen. Oh, white it are going at you? Yeah man. It's the front part. Oh, I'm video. You see, run us at the door and something? Yeah. Okay. So this is an island. And then we are putting a dream house to Top Class family. If he's an island for going to the kitchen, that's why it's staying, my boy. Alright. It's a good look, my general. Oh, this is the next piece. This is Oh, so this is the natural cut.
Yeah.
Oh, this I got in there, so.
Yeah. Glass door.
Oh.
Everything make about just put on in.
Oh, just to put on inches and install.
Yeah, install and get
Yeah. It's a good look, good boy. Alright, so I'm going for the door now, my boss.
Yeah, you know, see I cut out the pattern for the door. The glass, you know.
Yeah.
I want to get rid of the door, you know. I scrape the door this week.
So?
With them white something. Just one spray, yeah, make an dream door up and running, you see me?
Yeah, yeah.
Dream house and lock up, you know. So.
Yeah, man, a weekend we lock a mountain.
Mountain we lock up the dream house, so.
So?
I spray up, you know. Get it in chan, you see?
Yeah, yeah.
We see one supporter text and say the in the comment section, we see one supporter say the door too tight. We know say the door too tight.
Yeah, true.
The place out tight, so we have cut off about 1 inch off of the door.
Yeah.
Yes, so that, you know.
Yeah.
Remember to like, comment, subscribe
And share.
and share the video.
Yeah, man. You know, the door done fit. You know, some people still ask. I say, boy, top class, I just one door alone left the party house. I don't finish it. You understand? I just go fit on the door and everything.
Inside the door, you have to get it built custom, you see me?
Custom.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I remember, you know, you can give me a call anytime at 351-9085.
Yeah.
I need the number in the
Description. Sure.
You can check me out anytime I'm ready.
Yeah, man. Can you know, top class family, them man don't ramp with work. As you know, from the company channel, from we feature Richie on the channel, top class family.
No.
Every time we forward, I just a different set of work, you know, I see a finish up.
Yeah.
Every time we forward, it's a different set of work I finish up. Because, as so we say, I want to measure this island, 2 kitchen, cupboards and everything, and see that them done. So,
Yeah, you know, say, that's the night done. We have a great fun to make on 3 Niger this, so them they are done.
alright, and by them they're done, our next kitchen. Yes, top class, so as the boss say, can give you a call, you understand? Yeah, man, because in soon forward come measure up my kitchen too, you know.
Yeah, they look like it does fully booked for your Christmas, you know?
Yeah.
Fully booked for your Christmas, so. Maybe if you call and depends on what you want to make, maybe you're lucky or whatever.
Yeah.
But you know, it's fully booked, you know?
Fully booked.
Fully booked again, you know?
Alright.
I just give thanks to God and everything, and you don't know.
Pugalo, we have close out and my boss. You catch your work? Yo, the island your body, no daddy? And you know spray it. Do you know? Alright, top class family, so as I say, tomorrow I get the glass by for the dream door. And by weekend I get it spray, alright? Yeah man, a mountain, I put in all windows and all doors, so just look out for that, alright? Yeah, so thank you so much for the love and support. If you're new to the channel, please remember, subscribe, share the videos, and enough love, alright? Yeah, you know, I live clutch for that month, yeah. So by tomorrow, I'll get the next video again. Alright, out. So this I carry it to the glass store. Yeah. Get it cut same size.
Perfect.
Perfect.